Welcome to my channel Electronic Science Tutorial with a new video. Recently I started a new lecture series on data interpretation and we will trying to solve the previous year NET and SET question paper. In last class we solved December 2006 UGC NET data interpretation part. Today I will solve the December 2008 UGC NET data interpretation question. So without any time waste, let's start our class. December 2008 data interpretation graph basically based on the line graph or line chart. In previous class, we already talked about this topic, that is how we solve linear line graph or line chart graph, right? So in this graph, in the x-axis, A, B, C, D, E, F farm has been allotted, and in the y-axis profit growth rate has been allotted. We saw the line graph for 2006 and 2007. This light green color graph is for 2006 and this dark green color graph is for 2007. In 2006, A farm profit growth rate is 40. Okay, because this line chart or line graph touch this 40 line. Okay, so A farm profit growth rate is 40, B farm profit growth rate is 60 in 2006, C farm profit growth rate is 80, D farm profit growth rate is 20 in 2006, E farm profit growth rate is 80 and F farm profit growth rate is 20, right? So if we connect this 40, 60, 80, then 20, 80 and again 20, this point if we connect, so we get this graph in 2006. And in 2007, the profit growth rate of A farm is 20, B farm is 40, C farm is 20, D farm is again 40, E farm is again 20 and F farm is again 40. So if we connect 20, 40, 20, 40, 20 and then 40, this 6 point, then we get this dark line graph. So these are the 2-year profit growth rate line chart or line graph. Okay, now the question is, which of the firms got maximum profit growth rate in the year 2006? So we consider this line, this light green color data interpretation, this light green color line. So in this data interpretation question, what is the first question? That is, which of the firms got maximum profit growth rate in the year 2006? And the options are A, AB, B is CE, C is CD and D is EF. So in 2006, A growth rate is 40, B growth rate is 60. In 2006, C growth rate is 80 and E growth rate is 80, again 80. In 2006, CD growth rate is, C is 80, D is 20. So the growth rate has to be decreased here. And in D options, EF, that is, in E the growth rate is 80 and in F the growth rate is again 20. So here is also the growth rate is decreased. So what is the maximum growth rate? That is C and E. In C the maximum growth rate is 80, and in E the maximum growth rate is 80, also 80. So what is the right option? Right option is option B. Which of the firms got maximum profit growth rate in the year 2006? And the answer is CE. Okay. So coming to the next question. The next question is, which of the firm got maximum profit growth rate in the year 2007? And the options are BDF, option B ACF, option C BED, option D ACE. In 2007, B profit rate is 40, D profit rate is 40, and F profit rate is 40, right? And for ACF in 2007, A profit rate is 20, C profit rate is 20, and F profit rate is 40. BED, B profit rate is 40, E profit rate is 20, again it is decreasing, then again it is 40 because the D profit rate is 40. And for ACE, A profit rate is 20, C profit rate is 20, and E profit rate is 20. So what is the maximum profit growth rate in the year 2007? B, that is 40, D, that is again 40, F, that is again 40. So what is the right option? BDF. So BDF is the firm which got maximum profit growth rate in the year 2007. So the option is A is the correct answer. Okay, in this way we can easily solve the line graph or the line chart of data interpretation part. And this is the question of December 2008. In previous paper we solved the December 2006, but in December 2007 and June 2007 there are no data interpretation question. So here today I will discuss December 2008 data interpretation question. Okay, so hope you understand this topic. Thank you. If you like my channel, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.